Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to create waivers for your customers. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, JotForm. JotForm is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. JotForm offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to build a waiver for your customers in JotForm, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will present you with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Assignable Document. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Upon selecting Use Template, you will be directed to the template library. The templates are conveniently organized into categories on the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to look for a specific template. In this case, we will search for the keyword waiver to find relevant templates. Once the search results appear, you will have several different templates related to waivers. For this tutorial, we will scroll down and select the template titled Fitness Waiver. Click on the Use Template option and you will be taken to the editor where you can manage and customize the template according to your needs. After customizing the waiver template to your liking, click on the Publish section to share or embed your form. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the Publish section. Here you have the option to copy the link to your form and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can choose to open the form in a new tab by selecting the Open in New Tab option, allowing you to view it from the user's perspective. Furthermore, you can invite people to view the waiver by entering their email address in the Invite by Email field. Additionally, you can share the form through social media platforms like X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Moreover, you can generate and download a QR code for your form. By sharing this QR code, users can scan it with their mobile devices to install the form on their phones for easy access. If you wish to embed your form into a website, simply click on the Embed section in the left menu. From there, click on the Copy Code button to copy the code and embed it into any website of your choice. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.